Dear student, now I will conduct today the 6th class, that is part 5 trigonometry classes on class 10. Trigonometry classes on 10. So, I have again mentioned some important formulas or formulae it will be required to do the problem today. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. And two important formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Also I have mentioned sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. And sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Now there is a 6 problem given in the left hand side. Now it will be done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a practicing paper now. Now I am starting now the problem number 1. What is problem number 1? Problem number 1 is a given, the problem is given here. What is given? Problem number 1 is a equal to 1 given a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to x. It is 1 is given and another is given a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to y, and we have to prove a square plus b square equal to x square plus y square. Now squaring 1 and 2, a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square equal to x square. One. Second one, a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square equal to y square. Adding 1 and 2, what we are getting? A square. We are at this formula, please remember, a minus b whole square, a square, 2 a b plus b square and a square, this one, a square plus 2ab, 2ab, a equal to a sin theta and b equal to b cos theta, that is a square 2ab plus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to x square plus y square. Once again I am explaining now, it is the most important sum for examination. It is 1, it is 2, squaring this square whole square equal to x square, this square whole square equal to y square. Now we are adding this one and this one. We are adding this one and this one, that is not have wrongly mentioned here, it is 3 and it is 4. So it is 3 and it is 4. We are adding 3, that means what is this? A square minus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to x square plus y square. So we are cancelling this term, this and this. What we are getting? We are getting what? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta equal to x square plus y square. We are arranging a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Now we are writing b square sin square theta b square cos square theta equal to x square plus y square. Clear? The next step and the next step. What is next step? Next step is we are taking common a square. We are getting cos square theta plus sin square theta. Similarly, we are taking common b square sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to x square plus y square. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta, a square into 1. Then b square sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1 equal to x square plus y square. Therefore, our required answer we have got is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square proved. That is this. Now explaining now again 1 and 2, we are adding this plus this equal to x square plus y square. I have one term, I am not yet written here, I am again writing here this. This is equal to a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square equal to x square plus y square. We are again putting for your clarity, and then we are expanding with the help of this one and this one. It is most important sum for board exam also. Now I am trying to solve for this problem number 2. Problem number 2, I am removing this part and writing problem number 2. What is problem number 2? Show that this by this equal to sin 60. Now problem 2, then 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. You have to prove it is sin 60. It is left hand side. First 2, we know what is the value of tan theta, tan 30. Tan 30 equal to sin 30 upon cos 30. So what is sin 30? Sin 30 is half. And what is cos 30? Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. That is equal to tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3. Now in the denominator 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So we are getting what? It equal to, we are getting now, what we are getting? 2 into 2 by root 30 and denominator is 1 by root 3. What is 1 by root 3? 1 by root 3 equal to 2 by root 3 and 3 upon 3 plus 1. That is 2 by root 3 upon 4 by, that is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. We can write it now 2 by root 3 into 3 by, what is 3 by 4. Again I am doing 2 into root 3 into root 3. We can write 2 into root 3 into root 3, and this equal to root 3 into 2 into 2. We are cancelling root 3 from numerator and denominator, and 1 by 2. That is, we are getting, what we are getting? Getting root 3 by 2. What is root 3 by 2? Root 3 by 2 equal to sine 60 degree. It is in the question, it is right hand side answer. I am again explaining 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Then we have find out the value of tan theta, tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 into 1 plus 1 by root 3, and the numerator becoming 2 by root 3 and denominator equal to 4 by root 3. Now 2 by root 3 into 3 by root 4. So 2 by root 3, 2 into root 3 can be written 2 into root 3 into root 3, and denominator can be written as 2 into 2 root 3 into 2 into 2. We are cancelling root 3 from numerator and denominator, and 2 1 denominator. Now we are getting root 3 by 2 equal to cos 60 degree. That means we have done most important, both important problem here. Now I am switching over to next problem now. Now we are doing the problem, this one. Show that it is a very small problem. Show that means left hand side equal to sine, what, sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. We can write it what, sine 90 degree minus 72 degree equal to 18 degree, and it is cos 72 degree. We know sine 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. So it will be sine 90 degree minus theta equal to cos 72 degree by cos 72 degree equal to 1 right hand side. Proved. Now problem number 3 is over. Now problem number 4. I am removing problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3. We have already solved it. Now I am doing now problem number 4. What is problem number 4? Show that. What is show that? It is equal to, most probably forgotten to write, most probably it will be 1. So at the time of writing down the problem, it may be. Now left hand side, it is left hand side tan 48 degree and tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. Clear? Now please don't change this one and this one. We are keeping as it is tan 48 degree and tan into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 48 degree. It is tan 42, and tan 67 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 67 degree. So tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan cot, it is cot 48 degree, tan 90 degree minus theta cot theta into tan, it equal to 23 degree, sorry, cot 23 degree. Now from this I am writing here, but it can be written as tan 48 degree tan 23 degree cot 1 by tan 48 degree cot can be written as 1 by cot 23 degree. Now 48 tan, we are getting one right hand side proved. Now problem 4 is over. Now problem 5, show that this equal to 0. Now I am always requesting or advising you, all of you, always memorize the formula if possible with understanding. First of all, try to memorize this. Thereafter, understanding why it is written, we can prove all the formulas, all the identities. Those are I am mentioning at the time of doing trigonometry. Next problem. What is the next problem? This one. 4 is over now. 4 is already over. Now 5. 4 is over. Now 5. So that now left hand side cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Cos 48, don't change it, sin 42 90 degree minus 48 degree, cos 48 degree, and sin 90 degree minus theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta equal to 0. Right hand side proved. Now 5 is over. Now it is the last problem for this class. Then in the next class it will be 7 part of the trigonometry, more interesting sum. I will give more collection to 6 and 7. From 8th onward or 9th onward, I will do the height and distance is the most important and most interesting part of trigonometry, height and distance. Now tan A equal to tan B. We know tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, and A plus B equal to, you have to prove 90. A plus B equal to 90. Then tan can be written as cot 90 degree minus A equal to tan A, and equal to, that is equal to given cot not tan A equal to cot B equal to cot B. Now cot 90 degree minus A, tan cot 90 degree minus A or cot 90 degree minus A equal to cot B. We are removing from both sides cot, it implies 90 degree minus A equal to cot B, sorry, only B. Therefore 90 degree equal to A plus B proved. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. We are given, what is given? Given is tan A equal to cot B. We are writing tan A equal to cot 90 degree minus theta or A equal to tan A. Cot 90 degree minus A equal to tan A, and it is quad B. We are not changing both sides. When it is removed, the cot 90 degree minus A equal to B, therefore 90 degree equal to A plus B. Now it is proved. Now I am concluding the class. In the 7th and 8th part of this class, I will do more problem on trigonometry, and 9 onwards or from 8 onwards I will take the problem on height and distance related to trigonometry. Thanks all of you, and join the next class of